Do you love the look of the pure white factory DRLs, but want the ability to shift colors at a moment's notice? Introducing Oracle RGBW DRL boards for the 2015 to 2018 Dodge Challenger. These new boards contain our traditional RGB color shift technology, along with an extra white LED, which you can switch to instantly for 100% legal road driving. Now, we already showed you how to open a 2015 and up Challenger light in our traditional Halo Kit install video, but this process is the same, starting with popping out the air inductor. Next, you're going to need to cut the inside of the turn signal with a Dremel tool or small saw. This step cannot be done by baking the headlight, so it's a good idea to do it first. To open the headlight, you can either use a multi-tool and cut slowly around the lens, or bake your headlight in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 225 degrees, then remove your lens and put it to the side. This Oracle kit comes with 4 DRL boards, 2 for the inner lights and 2 for the outer. It also comes with 4 data splitters as well as a controller that will connect to your smartphone via the Happy Lighting app. That's available on the App Store and Google Play. To get to the factory DRL boards, you're going to need to take out the 5 7mm bolts holding in the bezel, then remove the 4 T10 Torx along the top holding in the diffuser rings. Once you're done with the 7mm, pull the bezel off the housing, then take out the T10 Torx and set them to the side. You're going to use the diffuser rings later, so put them in a safe space as well. You can see the factory DRLs sitting at the top of the lights right here. Unclip the DRL plug at the top of the circuit board, as well as the larger block plug in the middle. With the old boards out, we can install our new Oracle DRL boards. Set your boards in their respective spots and place the diffuser rings back on top. Reinstall the 4 T10 Torx, but make sure not to tighten the Torx too much against the LED chips. Now that we have our boards installed, we need to route the wiring through the back. We have a few options with this, like the dust cap and the filter, but we're going to go through the air vents on the side right here. Using a razor blade, cut small slits in the vents for routing the wires. The DRL connector head is too wide for the vent, so we're going to need to remove it by using a paper clip to lightly push down the metal pins inside it. It should just take a small tap to get it out, but be careful not to push the pin too far down, as you'll need to reconnect it later. When that's done, you can remove the connector head. Wire routing can be tricky sometimes, so we recommend twisting the wires before entering them in the air vent. Route both the wires through the air vents and then pull tight as you pull the bezel back into place on the housing. You will want to plug this block plug back in the circuit board so it's not banging around the car while you're driving. With the bezel back in place on the housing, reinstall the 5 7mm bolts, then seal up the air vents with strip caulk to prevent moisture from getting in the back of the headlight. Using an X-Acto knife, gently raise the tabs on the metal pins like so. Then reinsert them back into the connector head. Remember to insert them in the same order you remove them, or you may have trouble syncing your light's colors. Now connect the wires to the drivers and the remote, making sure that the correct wires line up, i.e. red wire to red wire, blue wire to blue wire. At this stage, we also recommend testing your lights before you complete the install. So go ahead, give them a try using your smartphone, then set the housing back into place. To reseal the headlight, use a room temperature vulcanizing silicone and lay a solid bead of sealant around the edge of the lens. We recommend Oracle silicone, which you can get when you order your DRLs online. When finished, smooth over any excess sealant and let your lights dry according to the silicone's label. Alright, congratulations, you just installed the Oracle RGBW DRL boards for your Dodge Challenger. You now get to experience one of the smoothest lighting applications on the market, and you can see it by comparing it to our traditional Halo Kit. Give your Challenger the attitude you've always wanted it to have with the Oracle ColorSHIFT RGBW DRL Replacement Kit. For more information, give us a call at 1-800-407-5776 or find us online at oraclelights.com. If you get this kit installed and want to be featured, definitely tag us, #OracleLights @OracleLights. Thanks for watching.